So, a few delegation must-haves every leader needs to have in their back pocket is the who, the what, the when, and the where. The who, have you truly identified the right person? The person with the right character, the right competency? Do you have the right person for this task? The what, do you have the clarity? Have you actually communicated the true expectations, the deadlines, the whatever they need to know for it? When have you actually allowed adequate time for training? Have you gone over it maybe once or twice or three times and given them enough time to ask questions? And then where have you actually given them the power and authority to decide and act with these tasks? That's the biggest thing I see is they have all the job, but they don't have the authority to execute it out. And so a few must-haves if you want to kind of master delegation.